Good morning, my dear students. My name is Palaj বিশ্বাস, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. And also today discuss my data exchange between CAD, CAM, CAE systems. Basically, this is the under the subject of computer aided design, and this is my lecture number 32. And you can see data exchange between the CAD, CAM, CAE systems is here. Descriptions of product and product definition data. The what is your the product, and also your the basically the product is considered the different type of output product we can find, that is your the different production house, and also we can be define the different type of product when you have to reach to your this markets, as like as your the customer is satisfied for your this product, and also customers given some order for new type of products product under the new type of units can be produced during to your the systems. The product and product definition data, that is your the engineering drawings, manual or electronics also will be records here, and the vector data from this the lines, the solid lines, dotted lines, and also the extension lines, and also the dimensions lines are here. That is your the data extents is considered. That means your the dimensional line is must know that you the in each and every students from our first year engineering graphics classes. We have to read that is your the different type of graphics, and also different type of objects you can be draw, and also you have to know how you have to given these dimensions of your systems, and the annotations data for the dimensions values, and you have to given that you have the different annotation data, that you have the dimensions values, notes and symbols in the drawing is also given, that is your the CAD system. CAD system is basically the different type of CAD systems already discussed in our the first module, and also that is your the briefly described into your the CAD system has like as your the solid model representations with some associate annotation data is already discussed. And the driving force for CAD CAM data exchanges is fundamental in comp- compatibility among entity representations is given, that is your the different driving force for you the CAD CAM data exchanges is here. That is your basically the CAD is mainly implemented during to your the computer aided designs, and but the CAM is simply the computer aided manufacturing process also is here. And the complexity of the CAD CAM systems, the variety requirements of user. Okay, the each and every type of product you have to consider according to required for your the different varieties of here, and also the different users we have to use for that, like your the monopoly markets in our country, that likes in our world, then customers is taken for your the different type of products also, and during to product variations we have to use for your the different type of CAD, as like as your the CAM data is here, and that likes you have to use for your the CAD CAM systems also, and uh, the varying requirements of user is restrictions and access to priority database information. Basically, the this database is taken, that is your the this database is gathered on a places, and also the any type of computer, and also this computer is put up your value, and to storage on your devices for your the new type of product when you have produced, then you can be easily maintain your proper systematic informations, that is your the database you have to given to supply for your the requirements as your top management, as early as top managements, and also similar type of which one will be required for your the data, and the rapid pace of technological change. And you can see, and that is your customers satisfaction, that is your the customers mentality, and then this will be rapidly change your the technological basically, the customer is the fully volatile mentality, and also he will be change his product. Like example of the different mobile phone is like as your the electronics devices, and that is your the computer laptops, the whole things you can see that is your the after 6 months later you have to change for your the different type of mobile phone will be changes, data will also will be here, and also the your new configurations electronics devices come out in our markets. And for this that means the this rapid pace of technological changes is considered according to your the driving force for CAD CAM data exchanges is here. Requirements for the exchange, and you can see that is your the different requirements is needs that is your for your the exchanges. Either suppose you one company is producing a good quality of product, but last 20 years, but this product is also so good in our markets, but after a few years later you can see that is your the company product is not taken your the customers. Basically the similar type of product, but lucrativeness is better from this type of products, and also this and similar type another product is taken by your the customers very smoothly, and your this last 20 years those companies the stay in our society, that this company's sale is the fall down because there is the no exchange of your the requirements. For this company have to request for your the exchange for your the requirements for your the different modification states will be required. Either this company cannot be sustained in long times. For this your the save data, both geometrics and topological informations, that is the part or form features, the font color annotations are considered parts of this. The geometric information is considered according to your the save data. And another thing is that that is your the non-shape data, and you can see that is your the non-shape data is the graphics data such as shaped image and model global data as measuring units of the database, and the solutions or the resolution of storing the database numerical values is comes here during to your the requirements or the exchange. You can see like that your design data is also is records the during to the design data information and designer is generated from the geometric models for analysis purpose also. Mass property and finite elements of mesh data belongs to this type of data is here. And another thing is that that means your the manufacturing data. Basically your the manufacturing data is required for the time to time changes. Either the same type of product is produced for your the long times, so there is a no modification is comes during to your the product outputs. And for this the customers mentality is the volatile mentality, and also customers mentality is changed the day by day, and those company not will be adapted for your the customers needs, that's like your the customers requirements. Then this company cannot be sustained for your the long time. Then during to your the requirements of your customers, that's like your the customers mentality, and also the customers the volatile mentality as like as your the customer needs, then you have to change for your the requirements for your the changes of your data. That means you have to requirements for exchanges, that likes your the manufacturing data also, that is your the those company have to changes each and every time to times for your the save data, that means your the non save data, that is your the design data, and also your the manufacturing data. This company is sustained for your the long times, and also your the revenue generate is the mass more revenue is the generation, and the company shine proper way. And this is the for this requirements for your the exchange of your data. That means your the exchange methods is given here. You can see that is your the and system is here. It is the system one is given, and also the system 2, system 3, system 4, system 5, and also system n. You have to given the different type of system is implemented for your the exchange of your different methods also. And during to your the exchange systems, then you have to use for your the exchange methodology. Either your company is not will be sustained for your digital long times, and then you have to exchange proper way, that is your the exchange methods. Okay, and that means in the different systems is available in our production industry, that's like as your the different company also. And then you have to use for your the different sense methodology, that is your the different system. Suppose your the system one is used in your company to produce to your the different type of product, but few days later you have to consider that is your the system one is not is the given for your the proper information, that is your the proper manufacturing process. Then you have to given for your the changes in your system, that is your the that means you have to go for the system 2. And then after a few days later you can see that is your the system 2 is not so good, and also you have to goes to your the another system is here, that is your the system 3. And similarly the so many system is available in our component, that is your the this is considered as a alternative way of your exchange of your different methodologies also. And another thing is you can see that is your the neutral files. Okay, and one neutral file is available in your in your industry, that is your the in your company also. And during to your the this neutral file, and different system is use for your this that like your the neutral file. And this systems one, system 2, 3, and 4, 5. And also the like your system n is considered according to your the that likes your the neutral file. And this neutral file you have to use for your the different system is modified like that. The which one will be given for your the better performance, that likes your the exchange value is considered. Either you cannot be exchange in your systems, then you cannot be produced for your the good quality of products also. And also this will be not accepted for your this customers. And suppose the A production is produced for your this 2 to 3 years continuously. Okay, and after 3 years you can see the one day there is so many defects comes during to your the productions. But you have to consider that you the who where you will be fault is find. And also you have to not stopping in your the productions. Then you have to given for your the another systems, and you have to exchange your another methodology also. And during to this methodology you have to use for your that likes your the change. And also your so you're slightly modified in your product design, then this will be accepted. But your this customers is satisfied for your product, then this will be launched on your markets. And also the after a few days this will be much more productions is done during to this methods. And also your company's revenue more revenue generates during to this systems. And this will be required for your Dexis method is here. Another thing is that that means your the native database, that means your the pre-processor will be given, that is your the native database like as your the pre-processors. And also the standards neutral file is comes with that, like for the standard neutral files. Your standard neutral files either and not will be satisfied for your this the exchange methodology, then you cannot be satisfied for your the which type of product is produced during to your the during to your the production times. And also this will be not accepted by your the customers, and not will be satisfied for your markets. And the whole things you have to consider is according to your the native database, that means your the preprocessor like as your the standard natural file. And the process post processor, and also the native database will be considered according to here, that means your the post processor you have to that means your the after completion, that means your the whole things you have to consider according to your the post processor is given, that like your the standard natural file is after that this will be goes for your the native database. And also your the native database you have to concept according to your the whole things as like as your the exchange methods of your this methodologies, how we have to exchange that. Now is your the importance of exchanges here. Standard neutral data forms is here, that is your the initial graphics exchange specification, that is your the IGES. the most popular format of the neutral files. Just like your the previous slides already discussed according to your the what is your the neutral files, and similarly that means your the initial graphics exchange specification, that is your the IGES is the most popular format of the neutral files, and this are supported by all CAD CAE CAM systems and defined by the International Standards Organization, that is your the ISO is maintained. That is your the which one is here, that is the IGES, that means the initial graphics change specifications is given, but that means the how we have to consider according to the changes of your data, that means your the exchange specifications, that means your the what is your the most popular, why this will be the popular neutral files, the what is the supported, where this will be required for the supported is just, and also the which standard is maintained according to the ISO ISO or not, that is the whole things you have to maintain according to the international standards, that means your the organizations. And another thing is that means your the drawing interchange format, that means is the DXF, the drawing interchange format, that is the DXY, a format originated by Autodesk and used mainly for the exchange of drawing data. You can see that is your the so many drawing data is available, that means your the drawing interchange format is available for the format originated that by your the Autodesk, and as like as your the use manually for your the exchange for drawing data is here. The standards for the exchange of product model data, that is your the steps, that means the few cases you have to request for your the different type of model will be exchanges, and also the this will be required for your the different data will be here, and during to your the production places, and that this product model data, that is your the steps, the standards data format used to store all the data relevant to the entire life cycles of the product, including design, that is your the analysis, manufacturing, quality assurance, testing, and maintenance, in addition to the simple product definition data is here. That means the different production places you have to record for your the different design analysis, as like as your the manufacturing, the like you the quality assurance sales jobs will be available, and a few cases you have to record for your the different testing of, and as like as your the different maintenance, this will be in the yearly maintenance or the 6 month maintenance, the which things will be maintained according to this system, then this the whole things also will be maintained through your the different model data is available, and this is addition to the simple product definition data is here, and the data format was also called the PDES, that means your the product design exchange specification, that is your the product design exchange specifications is given here at the earliest stage of its development in North America, that is will be comes from your the earliest stage, that is your the North America is maintained these systems. Another thing is that a number of other neutral data formats for the CAD CAE CAM systems were used in the past, that is your the this things also is for your the past things is that this include the PICS, that is your the NAPLPS and GKS is comes here, that is your the PICS, that means your the NAPLPS and the GKS. Currently CAD systems which is used to support IGES format are moving towards the use of steps, that is your the different step is used for your the different CAD systems, that is your the currently used for your the support, that is the initial graphics exchange specifications formats are moving toward the use of the steps. IGES, that is your the initial graphics exchange specifications is and already discussed that like your the previous slides, and also the first developed by National Institute of Standards and Technology, that is your the NIST in 1980. This will be start for your the IGES initial graphics extension specifications is used here. Then the adopted by the American National Standards Institutes ANSI in the same year, and also the this will be used for your the that likes your another American National Standards Institutes ANSI in the same year is used for your the IGES in here. The extends primarily shapes, that is your the first is here, that is the extends, but that means your the primarily shape is both geometric and topological, and that likes you have to changes your systems that likes your the geometric like as your the topological changes is required, and either you cannot be used for your the IGES and non-shape data, and a few cases that that is your the non-shape data also will be required for changes, now which is referred as that is your the cat to cat exchange. Suppose your cat software also is used for your the different cat to cat exchange is required. Suppose the few commands also will be modified, and also if you data is modified for your the one step to your the another steps also will be that is considered as like your the cat to cat exchange of your the this referred, that is your the non shape data is used for your the changes that like that. And the IGES, that is your the initial graphics exchange specifications is comes that likes your the codes a superset of common entities of all CAD/CAM systems to facilitate the translations between the various systems is here. That is your the different systems is coincides. That is your the different codes is required for your the that means your the superset, and the during depends on your the different codes and the different entities, that is your the CAD/CAM systems, and also the lakes you have to use for your the different facilitators the translations, and also that means your the various systems is available, that is your the native database, and this native database is collected for your the different industry, and also you have to this will be firstly collected for your like that is the different native area is here, and this data is storage on the that places is also, and again you have to passing through your the different pre-processors pre-processor systems, and also the source systems is considered, that is your system A, and first thing is coincides according to this, that likes your the different data is collected for your the different native area, and also your the native database is here, and also this database is storage on that points, and also you have to passing through your the pre-processors, and also thus these whole things you have to consider according to your the source system, that means your the data is source is considered according to this, that is considered as the source system, and this will be comes in here, that is your the system A, that means your the considers according to your the different system is uh, coincides, different system is accumulated by use the IGES, that means your the initial graphics exchange specifications, and you can see that is your the source systems A will be passing through, that is your the IGES, that means the initial graphics sense specifications, and also that this will be passing through your the data here, that means your the post processor, that means your the post processor, and again the this will be goes through your the another native database, and this will be considered according to your the target systems, and basically the first things you have to find, that is your the source data, and this will be passing through your the IGES systems, and again this will be passed through your the processors, and also this will be comes through your the native database, and also this will be considered according to your the target systems, and also this will be the system number B. And another thing is that that means your the IGES, this will be archive archival database will be find, that is your the IGES is here. That is your the come down to your the downgraded reaction is here. You can see that means your the development of IGES. A result of this effort, IGES version 1.0 was published in January 1980. That means is here, that is your the published in the January 1980 is here came, and the American National Standards Institutes, that means the ANSI standards in September 1980, that is used here. IGES was the first standard sense format developed to trace the need to communicate product definitions, data between these definitions, that is used the CAD, CAM, CAE systems is here. Additional capabilities were added later. That means the what is your the additional capabilities, that is what is will be required for your the these things is we considered according, that is your the added later. The IGES version, that is your the 1.0 mainly address the exchange of CAD drawings. That means that this will be the IGES version, that is your the 1.0, and this will be mainly address the exchange of the CAD drawings. And another thing is that means the after that we have to use for your the IGES version 2. This support the exchange of finite elements data and printed circuit board data. That means the 2.0 version, this will be used for your the supported, that is your the exchange of finite element data as like as your the printed circuit board data is coincides according to your, that means your the 2.0. And IGES version 3.0, that is your the enhances the capabilities of user defined macros that are essential to exchange the standard part libraries is here. That is your the IGES versions 3.0. That is your the exchange the capabilities, that is your the user defined macros, and that means is considered according to your the part libraries. And another thing is that the IGES version 4.0 supports the CSG tree of a solid. That means your the CSG tree of a solid is comes. IGES version 5.0, that is the handle the B representations data of solid. That means your the 4.0 as like as your the 5.0 is handle, that likes your the CSG tree of the solid, that likes your the B representation data of solids. And in IGA ES files, in IGES files is composed of 80 characters. ASCII records a record length derived from the advanced card era. That is, the text strings are represented in Foliate format. The number of characters in strings followed by the letter is followed by the text strings. That is your the 4 is LOT. This text strings format used in the early versions of the frontal language is here. That is your the early IGES translators had problems with the IBM mainframe computer because the mainframe used the EBC DIC encodings for the text, and some EBC DIC translates with their substitutes the wrong characters or importantly sent by this the party bit causing inserts. Here is a very small the file from which the 1987 is comes here. That is your the file is divided into the 5 sectors. Sections is here. That is the start global directly entry directory entry, that is your the parameter data, and the terminates indicated by the characters SGDP or T in column 73. The characteristics and geometric informations for the entity is split between 2 sectors. That is your the one of this the 2 records file length, and also that is your the directory entity also is here. and these things is here that is your the C2 yellow points, that is your the on white wagon bus modes CAD systems use the black backgrounds on located on the origin. This model space is 000, two red circular across and two green lines is here. You can see that is your the example of IGES files is here. This will be the different that is your the stats and global directory entity and parametric data terminology will be this will be things that is the discuss here. Next class I can discuss that is your the remaining part of data exchanges between the CAD system that is here. And thank you, dear students.